Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to use Magnifier on this laptop. So the easiest way to enable Magnifier on this laptop is by using a shortcut of two buttons, Windows and plus buttons. So press Windows and plus at the same time, and this way you will enable on-screen magnifier. Now on this bar, control bar, you can change the size of your zoom or your zoom level using minus and plus icons. Using these two icons, you can reset the zoom level. Using this icon, you can start reading from the screen that you're currently at.
Recycle bin.
As you can see right now, this button read the name of the first icon on the screen. Now, if you click this icon, you can choose from which place you want to start reading.
Learn about this picture.
Using settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier, and you can also change the voice of the reader. You can go to settings for more settings from here, and you can also access settings by going to Start menu, Settings, then scrolling to Accessibility settings and finding the magnifier option right here. Now here you can also enable magnifier by switching this toggle. You can change the zoom level and the zoom increment right here. And what's most important, you can change the view. As you can see, the current view is the full screen, but we can also change it to docked magnifier, which looks like this, and lens magnifier that looks like this. Each magnifier has its own settings, so let's start with the docked magnifier. Let's go to the docked magnifier view, and as you can see, there are 4 additional options for docked magnifier. Basically, we can make magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor. For full screen magnifier, we can use the same option as we had for docked magnifier, and we can also choose to keep the mouse pointer and the text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. For example, if we keep the mouse pointer centered on the screen, then the magnifier will look somewhat like this. This is the view of the mouse pointer being kept within the edges of the screen. And let's go to the last magnifier, which is the lens magnifier. And basically the only change that we can provide here is changing the lens size. By moving the sliders, we can change the height and the width of the lens to adjust it to our needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.